What's going on, everyone? Chase Reiner here, and today we're going to be talking about how to make over $1,000 a day with AI and Chat GPT, even if you've never used AI before. So this is a simple step-by-step process. This is what I use in my own business to earn money. You can see this month on Stripe, I've earned over $86,000, and on PayPal, it's probably about another $50,000 to $60,000. And just in the last 12 months, you can see I've made $1.3 million with a pretty automated system. So I'm going to be showing you how to choose a product to promote if you don't have your own products. I'm going to show you how to create your own content if you want to build content, or I'm going to show you how you can use AI to build content. And I'm going to show you how to attract visitors and leads from that content and follow up with them with ChatGPT with automated emails. Okay. So again, if you've never made money before online with AI, you're in the right place. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know by replying with the word yes in the comments, and I'll know to make more content like this. All right, so let's start out with the first step, which is going and choosing a product. So I have a free list for you. If you haven't seen my videos before, you probably aren't aware of this. If you have seen my videos, then you probably already know about this. But if you go to scarytoolbots.com, you can go and enter your email, and you'll get a list of different tools that you can get paid to promote. And a lot of these tools use AI and ChatGPT. And the way it works is most of the tools, if you click on them and you scroll to the bottom of one of the websites, you will get something that says become an affiliate. And when you click on become an affiliate, you will get a link. And that link, whenever you send it to people and they sign up for the tool, you're going to make a commission. So for example, this tool, this is actually a tool that I've been building that uses ChatGPT. It integrates with ChatGPT, and I'll show you more about this in a little bit. But if you go to the link, the affiliate link, click on sign up, enter your name, you'll get a link. And then again, anytime you send that link to someone and they sign up through that link, you're going to get credited. Okay. So you can choose whatever you want on the list, though. It doesn't have to be my products. You can choose any of these products. A lot of them are great products. This is one that I've actually promoted in the past. If I scroll down to the bottom, same sort of thing. Click on affiliate partners, log in, because I'm already a partner here. You can see they owe me $4,247, and all I had to do was send this link to people. Okay. So that's how you get a link. That's how you get a product. Again, choose whatever product you want. It doesn't really matter. And if you want to build your own products and promote those, you can do that as well. But if you don't want to have to put the time into building a product or having to maintain it or doing the customer support or any of that, you can just go and promote other people's products. And for SaaS or tools, you usually get about 30%. For info products, you usually get about 50%. Okay. So how are we going to get traffic to this offer? How are we going to get people to click on this link? So what we want to do is we want to follow a system. Let me bring up my notepad that allows us to create long form content. And long form content basically means videos that are over 1 minute. Okay. Now you might be thinking, well, that's not very long. Anything under 60 seconds, you get into a different type of algorithm on social media platforms. So if it's under a minute, you can go and get into the shorts feed, right, on YouTube, or the Reels feed on Instagram, or TikTok. So anything that's under a minute, you're going to get into a different type of algorithm. It's a different content feed, basically. And so if it's over a minute, you're going to be basically competing with all the other people that are doing longer form content. So like, for example, on YouTube, this is a video I did recently, and this video was about 20 minutes. And so I'm competing with everybody that's creating long form content. But if I clip a portion of this video and make it under 60 seconds, now I'm in a different part of YouTube, and I can post that content as well, again, on places like Facebook, Instagram, so on and so on. And so the game here is if we can create long form content that's over a minute like this, we can clip portions of it, minute long portions, and we can actually get views on top of the views that we're getting for our long form. Okay. Now here's the thing. A lot of people don't want to create their own long form content, right? And so one of your options is, if you don't want to create your own long form content, you can use my content. If you go to viralvideovault.com, I've set up a place for you to go and be able to just use my long form content. And the cool thing is, you don't even have to edit the content because you can use ChatGPT and AI to actually go and edit your videos for you. So I'll show you how to do that in a second, but choose what you want to do, create your own content. If you do want to create your own content, then you could use a tool that I use called obsproject.com. This tool will let you, it's a free tool. You can download it on Windows, Mac, whatever. You can set up a screen record like what you're seeing right here, or you can put your face in it, and all you really have to do is click on the recording button. But again, I know a lot of people don't want to do their own videos, so if you don't want to, you go to Viral Video Vault, and you basically just get a Google Drive folder with all of my videos in it, and you can just clip them. Now, the manual way of doing this, if you don't want to pay any money, and you want to do this for free, basically, is you would do long form content, and then you would drag your long form content, your recorded videos, into a tool called CapCut. And basically what CapCut does is it just automatically captions your videos, and it helps you turn your videos into short form content like this, okay? And it's very, very simple. You can take a 20-minute video and turn it into 60-second clips in literally just a couple minutes, just by going into the video, clipping portions of it, and then clicking on auto captions, and this will automatically add captions to your entire video, okay? So that's the manual way of doing it. If you wanted to do it for free, you would record your own content with OBS, and then you would use CapCut to basically repurpose that content into short form. Or you could use AI video editing tools. If you go to the sheet I told you about earlier, and you click on this AI video editor, basically it'll take a long form video, and it'll use AI to automatically cut different portions of that video. And the cool thing about it is, look at this. I'll show you a couple of these I've actually experimented with. If I go to shorts here on YouTube, these two, 1.4 thousand, 1.6 thousand, this was from a video that I did over here. Let me show you. This was a long form video right there. And then I plugged this into that AI video editor tool, and it basically automatically captioned the video like this. It found where my face was in the video, automatically took part of the video where my face was in it, and cut that out. And so it does a bunch of really cool stuff in just a couple seconds. You don't even have to do anything. And by the way, if you want to see the full presentation I did on this, go to AICashCourse.com. I did a full step-by-step guide showing you basically how to do this in real time. It's like a 40-minute video. So go watch that if you haven't already. But whether you use AI or you manually edit the videos yourself, it's completely up to you. There isn't really a right or wrong answer. The biggest thing that you want to focus on is, and this is going to sound probably a little bit harsh, but the biggest thing you want to focus on is not making excuses, right? And doing something every day and practicing. And the reason why I say that this is so important is because most people, 99% of people will not commit to doing something every day, okay? Because it's hard. I mean, even today, and a lot of the videos I do, I don't want to do something every day, right? Like, it takes work. You have to practice, you have to commit, you have to do something. And so even if you're doing something small, right? Even if you're going and clipping a 60-second clip out of CapCut, even if you're using AI to edit videos and upload them, whatever you're doing, you want to at least do something every day, because it's doing something every day is 100% better than doing nothing. And it's what makes the 1% of people the 1%, because 99% of people will not do something every day. Okay. And again, it doesn't have to be something big. Like even this video right now, I'm doing a 10-20 minute video. It doesn't take that much effort. It's the doing it. It's making the decision to do it every day, even if you don't feel like it, right? Like I have days where I'm tired. I have days where I don't know what to say. I have days where I don't know what to do. I do it anyways. I show up and I do what I say I'm going to do. Okay. So that's also one thing I would recommend, is make a list of things that you want to get done. I have different things that I want, and I write them down every day. So I want to go from $6,000, $7,000 a day to $10,000 per day. So every day I get up, I write that down. I want to get 6,000 page views visits per day to my offers. So I write it down. I want 2 shorts, 1 long form per day. So I write it down. I want a Rolex. So I write it down. I want 1,000 email opt-ins a day. So I write it down. The point is I write it down. And the more you can write down what you want to do and what you want to accomplish, the easier it is to just commit to it. Because I have the same things pretty much on my list every day, right? I need to do a long form per day. But guess what? There's days I don't do long forms because I'm like, I don't feel like it. I'll do it later. I put it off and then I don't do it. Just do it, okay? All right. Where is that list that I just had? We had it right here. Oh, that's my to-do list. So here we go. So you can use AI to ChatGPT to edit your videos with the tool I told you about, or you can do it yourself manually. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take the videos that you're making, right? So like, let's say I showed you a second ago some of those videos that got traffic, right? And by the way, I'm not the only one getting traffic like this. There's a lot of people that follow what I'm talking about here, and they're with brand new accounts, and they're taking content like this and they're posting it, and they're getting thousands and thousands of views, and they're making money. They're making sales just by taking content like this and posting it. But what you can actually do is in this content, you can say, hey, go check out this, right? So let's say you want them to go check out, I don't know, let's say AICashcourse.com, right? You can go put it in the comments here. Go check out AICashcourse.com. Now what's going to happen is when somebody goes and clicks on that, it's going to take them to an opt-in, right? So this is an email opt-in. When they enter their email, we can set up an automated email system to send them emails. And the coolest part is we can actually use ChatGPT to write these emails. So remember how I told you about that tool earlier, ShineRanker? So this is the tool that I've been putting tens of thousands of dollars a month into. And this tool basically integrates with ChatGPT. So if I log into it, let me go sign in really quick. We can go to the ChatGPT portion of the website or of the tool and clear the chat here. And I can say, write me out an email about why someone should buy our tool, our our ChatGPT integrated tool. Okay, click on that. And then that's going to write us out an email. And so what's going to happen is we're taking that traffic. Remember how I showed you earlier? We're going from doing the long form, right, to the short form. We're posting that on a bunch of different platforms like Facebook, Instagram, wherever, TikTok. We're taking that traffic, those views that we're getting, and we're sending them to a opt-in, like a link. That link is going to redirect to our affiliate, whatever our affiliate is. And then when they enter their email, we're going to set up automated emails sequences, right, that get sent out and close people on this tool. And we can use ChatGPT to do that. So look at, I hope this email finds you well. As a business owner, you know how important. Okay, so I can copy all that like that. And then I can use a tool like ConvertKit. And you can use whatever you want. There's a ton of different AI or email tools out there. This is the one I use. You can use system.io. You can use, just look up email CRMs. It doesn't really matter as long as you can send emails. And then what we can do is we can start building out, like this one, an automated email sequence. So I click into here, and so basically if somebody signs up for an email opt-in, I can click in here and I can actually paste this or add a new one. Let's just do a new one. Go like this, paste. And boom, now we have an email and we can start sending links to people, right? So that's just kind of the first part of this, right? This is kind of the tip of the iceberg. What you can also do is you can even start ranking your content. So with ShineRanker here, if I go to keyword research, I can actually enter topics and I can say, okay, well, I want to show up for different things on YouTube and TikTok and all these different places around making money online. And so I can actually take that content, that short form content. And the cool thing about short form content is a lot of people aren't competing for it right now because they don't understand how to do it, right? They don't know how to do this system. Most people haven't figured this out yet. And so what we can do is we can say, okay, well, we want to rank for secret websites to make money. And then we can take content from the viral video vault, turn it into short form content, and then we can say in our video, let's show up for secret websites to make money. We can optimize our video around that, okay? So again, if you want to see the full system, this is kind of just like a brief overview of how it all works. If you want to see the full system, head over to aicashcourse.com. Basically, what we do here is we walk you through everything you need to do to get set up with making money with AI. And this is a full presentation I did, basically showing you how to make your first $100 per day with ChatGPT and TikTok. And yeah, think you'll really like it. We have live classes inside too if you want to get into them. Basically, the live classes kind of show you what you need to do to get started. We have a full checklist as well that kind of gets you set up with the system, whether you want to do it yourself or hand it to somebody else. But again, I talked about all of that in the presentation. Go check it out, aicashcourse.com. But that's it for today. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you in the next one. Till then, happy money making. See you. Bye.